Hindi ka naman siguro makikikain sa isang salo-salo na may maruming kamay, di ba? Pero, hindi katulad ng ating ordinaryong pagkain na kung saan tayo nagugutom ulit pagkalipas ng ilang oras. Sa ating pagtanggap ng banal na komunyon, nabubusog ang ating kaluluwa ng sobra-sobra. Sa banal na komunyon kasing ito, si Kristo ay nabubuhay sa atin at tayo rin naman ay nabubuhay sa Kanya. Inaanyahan tayo ng Panginoon. Tara, kain tayo sa bahay ko. Libre ko. Aayaw ka pa ba? Mula po dito sa Minor Basilica of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manaoag, kami po ay taos-pusong nagpapasalamat sa inyong pakikinig. Nawa ay patuloy po nating isabuhay ang salita ng Diyos. Patnubayan at pagpalain nawa tayo ng Panginoong may kapal. Hanggang sa susunod na linggo dito sa Binhi ng Buhay.
Atin pong pakinggan ang mga pasabi mula sa Basilica Minore ng Manaoag. Here is the schedule of Barangay BEC Saturday Masses at 4:30 in the afternoon for the month of August 2018. August 4, BEC Madriaga and BEC Uraan East. Bisita ni Maria Mass at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. August 11, BEC Pugaro, BEC Kabawangan, BEC Namakpakan, and BEC Baginay. Bisita ni Maria Mass at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. August 18, BEC Tubul East, BEC Sapang, and BEC Lipit. Bisita ni Maria Mass at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. August 25, BEC Baritaw, BEC Babasit East, and BEC Pao. Bisita ni Maria Mass at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And that's the schedule of Barangay BEC Saturday Masses at 4:30 in the afternoon for the month of August 2018. Calling the attention of the alumni of Holy Rosary Academy, Our Lady of Manaoag College, now Colegio de San Juan de Letran, Manaoag. The institution is coming up with a database for the alumni in preparation of its 75th foundation anniversary. To be included, please get in touch with Sister Maria Cristina L. Arceo OP or Miss Johan S. Gutierrez through Telefax 075-529-0121 or Facebook account Letran Manaoag or email rosarianletranite@gmail.com. Please provide your name, your graduated, contact numbers, or email account, and present affiliation. Thanks so much. Siyempre Arriba, siyempre Letran. The parish of Our Lady of Manaoag will hold its Voice of Manaoag, 6th season, this October 6, 2018 at 7 o'clock in the evening at the Municipal Auditorium. Auditions will be held on August 18, Saturday, 9 o'clock in the morning to 12 high noon and 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And August 19, Sunday, 9 o'clock in the morning to 12 high noon. Venue is at the Rosary Center, 2nd floor of Parish Hall. Youth solo category. Requirements are, must be Roman Catholic, single, 14 to 30 years old before competition night. PSA validated birth certificate or certificate of live birth is required. Must be a bona fide resident of Manaoag with barangay certificate. Duly accomplished audition form with attached residency documents. Must prepare 1 English and 1 Filipino OPM song in USB or soft copy format. Audio materials must be in MP3 format and -1 settings. For more information, please contact Brother Regeric Ricodos at cellphone number 0926-687-1520. You can also visit and shoot your messages or queries at our official Facebook page, Voice of Manaoag 2018. for new members. Minor Basilica of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manaoag Grand Choir. Grand Choir, who may audition capable singers and active members from any of our minor basilica or parish choirs, committed individuals in serving the church and the minor basilica in particular. Past and current members of Grand Choir must undergo rescreening. When is this? August 12, 2018, Sunday at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Rosary Center, 2nd floor of Parish Hall. What to prepare? Any a cappella song of your choice. Impromptu vocal exercises will be conducted. Interested applicants may head on to the above-mentioned audition date and may contact Kit, Grand Choir Choir Master, at cell phone number 0908-866-9526 or Sir Frederick at cell phone number 0995-014-9088 for further details. Thank you. Atin pong napakinggan ang mga pasabi mula sa Basilica Minore ng Manaoag. Listen to Manaoag Dominican Radio and watch live through our website at www.radiomanawag.com for the live Mass on air from 6 o'clock in the morning and 11 o'clock in the morning every day and 5 o'clock in the afternoon from Monday to Friday and 4:30 in the afternoon every Saturday and 4 o'clock in the afternoon every Sunday. You may also visit the official website of Minor Basilica of Manaoag at www.manawagbasilica.org for the different activities and other announcements. May kasama ka si Jesus, si Maria at kami.
Manaoag Dominican Radio.
And now back to the music.